Tired of your current TikTok account? Let's get your content moved over to a new one, hassle-free. First, open the TikTok app on the account you want to transfer content from. Head to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Once in the settings, find and tap the account option. Now, select Download your data. This is crucial for backing up everything. Choose your preferred data format. I'd recommend TXT, and then tap Request Data. TikTok will start compiling your information. It takes a few days. Once your data is ready for download, and TikTok will notify you, return to this section and tap Download. Save the downloaded file to your device. This is your content backup. Now, log into the new TikTok account where you want to upload the content. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't have a direct transfer feature. You'll need to manually re-upload your videos from your downloaded data, using the videos you backed up from your old account. It's a bit tedious, but it ensures your content migrates safely. And that's it, your content is now on your new TikTok account. Remember to engage with your followers and have fun.